Now I got towed to this parking lot. So I think that the generator is not charging the battery. I'm gonna take the bus instead because it's probably gonna be quicker. We're back in the garage and here I have what I need, I think. A battery, tools, a multimeter. Now it's really late. So down here we got the old battery, which is completely depleted. It says 14 volts. That's really weird. Like, how can it be that high? It's never 14 volts. Okay, now this is more accurate. 11.9. Yeah, that's more like it. You can see that. Turn on the light here. 14. What? Stop doing that. The other one is 15.6 according to this. But yeah, okay, whatever. We don't trust this anymore, so we know it's crap. It's not new, but it's charged. New batteries in. It's hooked up, ready to go. And it starts. Okay. All the lights are on again. What? Why is every light on? It's alive and it's running like well. You kind of have to wiggle it. Eventually it stops. Oh, there we go. I mean, some of those lights are probably true. Like the charge indicator, that's probably true. The ABS, I don't know why it's at. The parking brake is not on. I don't know what's going on with all those lights, but hey, it runs. A little update. We're fine. All the lights are on. Okay, this doesn't look good at all. The lights are getting really dark. Like the high beam feels like it's pretty dark. The dash is really dark. I think we're running out of juice again, and now it's jerking. It just died on me. It doesn't have any power. We're running out of juice again? Come on! We're out of juice. The car is dead. This is so stupid. Like, turn on the blinking Christmas lights here. Somewhere I can put this piece of junk, because it's like in the middle of the night. Yeah, this is not ideal, not at all. It's like a freaking drop. It's actually running. The engine is running. The engine is running. Oh, it just died on me. Oh, it's still running. No, it's dead. Oh yeah, this is so bad. This is so bad. I don't know what to do now. You wouldn't believe, like, this is crazy. First, there was a car that stopped and they asked me, how can we help? And I was like, do you have a towing rope or like jumper leads? No, they didn't have anything. So like, okay, I don't think you can help me. And then just like a few minutes later, this guy stopped. He was like, yeah, I have a rope that I actually put in the car today and we can use it to tow you. I was like, really? And I was like, where are you going? And he was like, I'm going to this little town. I was like, really? That's where I'm going. So he lives almost like 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers maybe from where I'm going. And he was so kind. He's gonna tow me all the way, it seems, to my location, which is really nice. Well, this is surely an interesting towing experience in the middle of the night with a really short rope that I can barely see, and then out of nowhere there's a horde of these vildsvin, I don't know what they're in English, so like warthogs or whatever you call them, like running on the road, and he is panic braking and I have to brake. Like, what is going on? Like, this rope is so short, there's no like space for panic braking in this setup. So, update, we're here at the garage and I'm charging this from this car, so now I can have it running. Oh, what the heck is wrong with me? Look at that! There's nothing wrong with the generator or whatever. It's the belt. Are you kidding me? It's the freaking belt. Why didn't I see that before? No wonder it's not charging. It's missing the belt. So, good news. The Volvo is inside the garage. I had to charge it 2 times to get it in there. And now I'm ready to go. And the time is, let's see, late I think. 11:36. The Volvo is inside. And I am tired. Good night.